I just fell in love with the island, and it's just something that's very important to me, and just felt like it should be something that other people see. This is my 13th trip. We come 2 weeks every year.
You come alone, you come with
My
family.
wife, my wife, sometimes friends. We've had many friends come join us. Many of my friends, it's their first time on the island, so I'm spreading the knowledge of how great it is here. It was my first tattoo that I've ever decided to get, and the artist asked me. He goes, I said, "What should I get?" He said, "Get something that's very near and dear to your heart." And I thought for only a minute. I said, the first thing that popped in my head was Aruba, something that means so much to me, and that was the first tattoo I ever gotten because that's what he asked. What's close to you in your mind and your heart, and that's what I chose. No, I've been up and down the beach, like many hotels, but I do come for 2 weeks every year, and it got a little crazy expensive for 2 weeks of hotel, over 7 grand. I started doing 1 week hotel, 1 week with Marcella Airbnb, and then I realized I love it here, and I just stay with this wonderful woman's property every time now. A lot of things, just the warmth of the people, the food, the weather, many different things. The ease of getting places, being able to drive around. It's very simple to navigate. There's no crime. It's very important. I've been to a lot of islands. You have to stay at the hotel. You have to stay where you're staying, but this is like crime free. It's very appealing to me. Oh, we've been everywhere. We've been everywhere. This trip, we tried Calabria, which was very good. We have places that we always go back to, like Lola's Tacos and Liquid Chef. We do some cocktails. We've been to Apotec, but I mean, I really haven't had a bad restaurant. I've tried so many. Tonight, I think we're going to El Gaucho. We've been there like 5 times, but it's solid. It's something you can always count on. I would say if you want to come to a place and not have to worry about wasting your hard-earned money because of bad weather or hurricanes, then this is a great choice because you're not going to have a problem with that. A lot of people, they've never been to an island where you can roam freely without being harassed or see crime. And I tell people, if you want to walk around, you want to actually enjoy the island, this is the place to do it. You can't do this in a lot of places.